Now we'll add some additional fields to our app. When we originally set this up, we've got a couple of key fields, the name and the contact type. Let's just open the dashboard again. We'll go into the stream configuration and add those fields. Now we need to add the fields to the top grid view. It's just like adding the initial fields. We drag them over onto the header and drop them where we want. I didn't quite get that right, so I'll drag this address one field over. Next, we'll drag the new fields onto the edit form. Now I need to rearrange these fields to tidy up this form. We'll just speed up a bit here while I do this. Remember that after the first field you select, use Control-click to select further fields. Now let's just look inside these field objects. You'll see the order, that says 7, and for the name, that says 8. For the address 1, we see 2. This is because of the order that we've added these to the edit form. Let's update this order so that the user can tab around the form in a way that's convenient. It's very important that you click the field object, that's the grey box in this case, as opposed to the surrounding area for the field, because the user is tabbing into fields. Okay, that's done. We've finished our update. Let's go into app mode. I'll start typing in some new contact details. As I do this, you can see that I'll be able to tab around this screen in the order that I've specified. We'll speed up a bit here so you don't have to watch me type. So we can see that adding fields to apps was pretty easy in this case. We're relying on a setting in the actions called copy by name. For standard actions, this is on by default. We'll see this in more detail when we set custom actions for insert and update actions.